Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening TikTok and getting straight to the point. Find the search field. Tap the magnifying glass or top search bar. If it's not visible, swipe down to reveal it. Once done, glance at the keyboard and suggestions that appear. These speed up searching. You should see trending terms and a blinking cursor. Type one clear keyword or hashtag. Make sure to use concise words because shorter queries return more varied results quickly. You now refine results by choosing how you search and why. Type a precise phrase or include a hashtag to narrow to posts. Quoted phrases help when you need exact wording. After results load, tap filters to switch between videos, sounds, people, live, and hashtags. This changes what you see. If you want recent content, sort or toggle to latest uploads. Make sure to try synonym keywords next. Slight wording changes. Finish by interacting with what you find. Tap a video to like, follow the creator, save the sound, or use share to copy the link for later. If search seems slow or shows no results, clear TikTok's cache and settings and try again. You can also update the app or switch networks to rule out connection issues. If problems persist, log out and back in, and if necessary, reinstall the app. That often resolves stubborn search glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.